Hi, I'm Hewison here. Welcome to the digital studios of MarketClub. I'm very excited today because I want to start by talking about metals, and two metals in particular, gold and silver. Which one would you choose? Well, the reality is our portfolio manager makes it very easy for you to understand which is the strongest market. I'm going to show you how it works right now. So here we are in my metals portfolio right here, and let me just show you how this works. So my metals portfolio is right here. I have many different other portfolios that I follow, but not every day, but certainly our perfect portfolio, global cup portfolio, and global strategy portfolio. These are markets I follow. And here we are looking at our metals portfolio. So we have gold spot, silver spot. Now I'm going to show you something very quickly, how you can look at all of your portfolios and tell which is doing well and what's not doing well. Take everything off the screen. I simply go to the score, click here, and I see a plus 85. I don't even know what that market is, but I scan over to the left, silver, spot silver. Gold, on the other hand, spot gold is 65. So which market would you rather be in? Gold at 65 or silver at 85? Well, the clear answer is silver. Silver's outperformed gold. We actually did a blog about this some time ago about buying silver and selling gold in the exact amounts of money and just looking for the spread to widen. We still think that's going to work out. So let's take a quick look at silver. Look at the chart pattern. It's easy to do with MarketClub. You just click there. And as you can see, we have had a nice run up in silver, which is always good to see. So we moved up very nicely, and we've had a daily exit, not to get short, but just to exit, because our weekly is still positive right here at 29.49. We're currently trading at 37.07 on silver. We're doing this live during the day, during the trading day, and you can see our plus 85 reading here. So again, we're looking for this market to turn around, potentially, but right now it hasn't done so. I wouldn't jump into this market right now. I'd wait for some sort of sign from our daily trade triangles, which are right here. Wait for them to give a green triangle, and when they do, that's the time to buy silver, because it will be a plus 100, indicating a strong upward trend has resumed and it's likely to go higher. So again, this is a very strong uptrend, and you should not ignore it. We're kind of moderately overbought, but not overbought per se. We could see a similar pattern to what we saw here when the market continued to go higher, and like here we can see the market continue to go higher. So look at this stage right here as this stage right here. So let's see how this works out, but I'm going to take a look at gold because we've had a lot of calls on gold and what we think of gold. So let's take everything off the screen. Easy to do. I'm going to go back to my portfolio, and I'm going to pull up spot gold. I can either double click here, I can just go to the blue icon here, click there, and that's going to bring up a chart for me. It's very easy to manage all of your assets with this new portfolio manager. Now what's happening right now in gold is this. Let me pull this over here so you can see where we are. So you can see right now we have a plus 65, which is not necessarily a good indication. It's not a bad indication. It just means that the daily right here is out at 14.22. We actually got in earlier right here and made a very small profit, but again, it's going to help you stay out of the market when it's doing nothing. Now what's happening right now is we've come down almost about 50%. I'm going to show you with the Fibonacci where this has come down to, so it's kind of interesting. So let's take everything off the screen again. I'm going to go to the Fibonacci tool we have right here. I click on the highest point, scroll this down, and I'm going to scope this in a little further so you get a better view of it. So there you go. Perfect. We've come into the 50% nesting zone. That's the support area at 14.14. That's where the market was 50%. It's 61.8%, which would be the maximum pullback we could see, is 14.07. So right around here, if we see some action, and the type of action I would be looking for right now would be some sort of basing action where we see several days like this, and then suddenly we have an up day and our triangle kicks in, then that's the time to buy gold, to get long gold again. Now some people don't like the time gold, but the reality is I think you're much better off in many ways timing than going through some of the stress you have to go through, some of the big swings you see down in gold. So looking at this market, I have to say that number one is silver, and number two has to be gold, based on our trade triangle technology. So again, the score is plus 85 here, stronger trend, and plus 65 right here, sort of a sideways trend for the moment. So watch those 2 points. Be sure to watch those trade triangles, because when they kick in, that's the time to get long gold, because everything will be all firing on all cylinders. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison. Thanks for stopping by. And don't forget to tune in to our live show on Thursdays at 7 p.m. Look for details on our blog. Hey, this is Adam Hewison. Every success.